Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to change your account location on Roblox. So at first, you see that if I go to settings right over here and then account location is fixed. There is no pencil option, like next to birthday there is a pencil option, next to password there is one, but there is no next to Bangladesh. And that is because Roblox does not allow you to do it personally. What you can do is click on help right over here, Roblox support, and then click on, let's say, Roblox account. I need help with my account. This one. Oh, over here. At the end, you see there's this option, account location. Click on this one. And then how do I change my account location? You see support form. So if I click on it, you have to put in your username, your parents' email, confirm it, and then what device is it? We are facing it on a PC, and then a category would be to change the what do you call it, location. So we're going to click on how to and then select change my location and then type in, hey, I recently moved from Bangladesh to let's say you moved to Mexico, but my location has not been updated. Please help me fix this, and then add a thank you because it just looks nice. And then you're going to click on continue, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.